Hi, I am here today to introduce the newly released OWLS Lite Lower Extremity Orthosis. OWLS Lite is Orthomerica's newest addition to the Wound Care by Numbers family of orthotic solutions and is designed to effectively treat Wagner 0 and Wagner 1 plantar foot ulcers. OWLS Lite is a prefabricated ankle-foot orthosis designed to reduce shear forces, restrict motion of the foot and ankle complex, and unload the plantar surface of the foot at the patient's wound site. OWLS Lite is available in 4 sizes and is recommended to assist treatment protocols prescribed by the physician or wound care center. With universal sizing, it may be used on either the right or left leg. After extensive testing, this specific walking boot design was selected because of many unique features. First, the OWLS Lite bladder system is positioned at the medial and lateral ankle area, and each bladder inflates independent of the other. This placement allows the inflated bladders to intimately hold the foot and ankle and to reduce the shear forces during ambulation. Second, this bladder position aids in preventing the foot from shifting within the orthosis during ambulation. The inner surface of the foot portion is strategically designed with foam layers that have a similar density to that of human fat. This provides the most natural experience and healing environment for the skin. The distal layer consists of removable EVA foam pieces that are customized to unload a specific area or areas on the plantar surface of the foot. The surface layer consists of a full-length insert made from another EVA material, again with a diabetic-friendly density. OWLS Lite may be used in conjunction with a patient's current treatment program, including clinical unloading measures such as felt or other methods to promote wound healing. In this case presentation, the patient presented with a small wound at the first metatarsal head. The OWLS Lite was custom fit to the patient with the removal of specific unloading pieces in the foot section. The bladders were easily inflated by the patient with 4 pumps each side. After 3 weeks of full-time daily wear, the patient presented with a healed wound during the routine follow-up visit. You just learned a little bit about OWLS Lite, and you're going to learn a lot more because joining me now is Jeff Miller, the developer and designer behind the OWLS system by Orthomerica. Jeff, thank you so much for being here today.
It's my pleasure.
Tell us a little bit about the inspiration behind the OWLS Lite design.
Sure. I was traveling to California about 3 years ago, meeting with an orthopedic surgeon in a wound center who used our OWLS custom line and asked me if I could create something that was off the shelf for small wounds. This one really fit all the criteria for our OWLS principles of healing wounds. And that is the independent distal bladders that can be pumped, pull the ankle in and hold it seated in posteriorly and prevents shear forces. Secondly, there's a removable diabetic liner in here. Say for example, a patient has a first metatarsal head wound. This section can be pulled out, creating relief inside the orthosis, and then the diabetic liner goes right back in over top. And that creates a nice well for the wound to heal. So it prevents shear force and it prevents pressure over the ulceration.
Extremely innovative. So of course the OWLS Lite was designed to treat smaller wounds. Is there a system in place to treat larger wounds?
The original OWLS that was developed at Hartford Hospital Wound Center incorporates the principles of many different wound treatments, and one is the total contact cast, where the calf is squeezing the circumferential pressure up the leg to help to reduce fluctuating edema and reduce the plantar surface weight. And then also for unweighting the wound, this would be a model for a heel. So the patient bears pressure from midfoot all the way to the distal end of the toe while reducing pressure at the wound to 0 pounds per square inch. This has been extremely effective in treating Wagner 2 through 4 wounds.
Great. Jeff, thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate you for sharing your products with us. Thank you. OWLS Lite is an excellent clinical tool for treating smaller wounds and also in preventing smaller wounds from becoming bigger problems. If you are interested in learning more about OWLS Lite or our custom designs for the treatment of complicated neuropathic foot wounds, please contact our team at Orthomerica.